What are the permanent and beginner gardeners plants? Today I will be covering up about the plants for beginner gardeners, and also these are permanent. Once you bring a plant from a nursery, that will stay in your garden forever. So let's see what are the beautiful colorful leafy plants and permanent and also low maintenance. So let's see what are the top 10 plants for your garden as permanent plants. I start with this lucky bamboo plant. This is a beginner gardener's plant. You can propagate a stem in water and you can transfer them to soil within a very short period of time once they root. So bamboo plant is for beginners and also permanent, and you can maintain them very easily. No need of fertilizer as well. So this is a beginner gardener's plant. Once you bring it from a nursery, they will stay in your garden forever. These plants belongs to the family of Dracaena. So location should be partial to medium sunlight. So this is a beautiful plant for your indoor plants collection as well. Arrowhead plant. This is another plant suggestion for your indoor plants collection, outdoor plants collection. As a beginner gardener, once you bring this plant, locate it in an area where they get the partial to medium sunlight. Water once in the morning in hot weathers, and you can check the soil and water these plants. They are also low maintenance and permanent. From stem cuttings, you can multiply this plant very easily. No need of using any fertilizer as well. So this is a low maintenance plant for your garden collection and beginner gardeners plant too. Also one of the plants that you can bring from a nursery, bring a small stem and you can grow them very easily without fertilizer. This is also another permanent plant. They request the shady area, and also these plants fit into medium to large size of pots. You can keep them indoors as well. So this plant also beautiful variegation, permanent plants for a beginner gardener, easy maintenance plant. These are some other Dracaena varieties with me. They are also low maintenance and permanent plants. A beginner gardener's plants as well. Look at the variegation, so beautiful and colorful. Add them to your garden if you still do not have them, because they are really very easy to maintain. I have these Chinese evergreen plants. Do you have them? I have them in different sizes of pots. And I have this lipstick aglonema as well. They are all low maintenance, permanent. A beginner gardener can easily grow them, located in a place where they get the partial sunlight. And this is Song of India, beautiful variegated leaves. And these plants you can easily grow by stems, but Chinese evergreen you can divide and multiply them easily. Let the plant to mature, keep them in the area of medium to partial sunlight. So as I said earlier, you don't need to fertilize them. Low maintenance and permanent. Beautiful syngonium plant, or known as the arrowhead plant. They are also low maintenance. Once you bring it from a nursery, they will stay in your garden forever. Look at this. Next beautiful variegated plants are these spider plants. You can grow them in any pot, small pots, bigger pots. You can transfer them. You can actually play with these plants because you can decorate your home with the spider plants very easily. They are air purifier plants, and these variegation is so elegant and beautiful. So the plant that I suggest you having as a beginner gardener is one of these spider plants. Bring one from a nursery or request one from a friend. You will have it forever in your garden and multiply many plants by spiderets. Another beautiful low maintenance plant is this wandering Jew plant. You can grow them from stems. You can keep them indoors, keep them outdoors, or anywhere. Such a low maintenance plant. Even the heat they will tolerate, but better keep it in area medium to partial sunlight. So these are beautiful plants to grow from stems, and also they will fit into any size of pot. Low maintenance, permanent, and a beginner gardener's plant. Money pothos plant. This is another beautiful variegated leaves, and also this is a beginner gardener's plant, one of the best plants to have in your garden because they are air purifier and good luck plants. So this money pothos plant, once you bring a small stem, you can grow many by multiplying very easily by stem cuttings in water and also in soil. So I have done many videos about growing pothos plants. If you are interested, you can watch them with your time. Variegated triangle ficus, another suggestion for your plant collection as a decorative plant, as a beautiful variegated leafy plant, and also one of the permanent plants. This is also low maintenance but permanent. A beginner gardener can grow with them easily with a stem cutting. You can put them in soil directly, and this is a beautiful suggestion for your plants collection because they are so elegant and beautiful looking. Hope you find this video very useful as beginner gardeners, especially for them I did this video. So these are the permanent and low maintenance plant, and also beautiful variegated leafy plants. So thanks for watching. Do join me if you are new to my channel by subscribing, liking and sharing these videos with your friends. Thank you.